In this video, we will learn how to remove some character from data in Excel sheet. So here I'm showing you one trick. So let's start. So here you see I have here some small data, customer and product ID, and I want result is okay of product ID. This product ID is too much long, therefore I remove these first three character plus this dash also. It's totally four character. I want to remove this. If you have a small data, you just edit it and you can remove it, okay. But if you have a large data, so I'm showing you here the three different trick how to remove this and you get this result quickly. So let's start how it's done. So first I show you here the some formula is equal to right, okay, tab, select the B2, comma, then use the len function, then tab, select again the product ID, then bracket close and minus 4 character because I don't want 4 character of right hand side, okay. Press the 4, okay, and bracket close and just enter. Here you see result. Drag this formula below this line. This is the first way you can remove the first 4 character. Second way, use the mid function is equal to mid, tab, select the B2, comma, then use the 5, and here I'm mention the start number. What is the start number? Numeric. I want to remove 4 character and after 4 is a 5. 5 is a start number, okay. Then I here mention here 5 number, okay. Then I use here len length function, then select again b2, bracket close, minus 4. I want to remove 4 character and bracket close and just enter. Here you see result same. Just drag the formula below the cell. So third step, first copy data those you want. I just copy this, control C and paste here, okay. Then here again copy this, control C and select with this cell below cell also, okay. Then press the control E. That's it. So hope you understand. If you like these all these three tricks, then please subscribe my channel and thank you so much.